Hey, Bob Filka here for the Friday Finish the week of September 15th, brought to you by our partners at DTE Energy. Busy week this week in and around Lansing. On Wednesday, we had a settlement discussion meeting with attorneys representing LARA in our code lawsuit against the state. As you know, we stopped implementation of the 2021 code from going into effect. It was supposed to go into effect on August 29th. I'm not sure where our negotiations will go with the state, but obviously we will continue to keep you updated on that. And we also have a number of other legal efforts underway. We have a problem with sprinkler mandates actually popping up across the state. And we are working to file an additional lawsuit against a local unit of government that's been requiring them on the west side of the state. I expect that lawsuit to be filed within the next few weeks. You may know we had ongoing litigation for, going on more than a dozen years against the city of Troy for excessive permit fees. I know permit fees have gotten out of control across the state. We've won at every level of our lawsuit against the city of Troy. There is one remaining appeal that the city, along with the Michigan Municipal League, is making, asking the Michigan Supreme Court to hear their appeal. We remain hopeful that the Supreme Court will let the lower court decision stand. When that does happen, we need resources to go out and after all the local communities that have excessive permit fees. And we've got a very large list and growing list of those communities that we will reach out to when this happens. Given all this litigation, and actually there's a bunch of other legal efforts we have underway to help individual members, but in order for us to continue to fight and be successful, your state association has set a goal of raising $1 million over the next 10 years. You're going to be hearing some discussion at your local HBA about a proposed assessment for over the next couple of years to raise additional dollars for our legal action fund. Those dollars, if this proposal moves forward, would be restricted for the legal action fund only. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about that as you hear more about it, don't hesitate to give me a shout or a call here at the office. And if you want to make an individual contribution now, you can click on the link below. And with that, that's a wrap for this week's Friday Finish. I hope you have a great weekend, everybody. I'm going to be out the next couple of Friday Finishes, so Don Crandall will be with you over the next 2 weeks, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.